All right, we're back again with another question. This is question 4 from section 3.1, where we're supposed to use our lovely derivative rules to take some derivatives. So the general strategy here, we just need to use item 2 and item 3. So item 2 is basically saying that the derivative of a first degree polynomial is just 1. And item 3 is saying the derivative of a higher order polynomial is you basically subtract 1 from the power and you move the old power in front. That's pretty much it. So we always got to make sure we identify what we have in the question. So the first thing we have is a first degree polynomial, and the derivative of a first degree polynomial is 1, as we were saying before. The second term we have is a higher order polynomial, so we're going to take the derivative of 4t squared. To do that, I'm just going to pretend that the 4 is in front, because you can factor a constant out, and then I would just apply the derivative rule to the to the t squared. So you move the power in front, which gives you 2t, and you subtract 1 from the power, and that basically gives you the 4 times the 2 in front, which gives you 8, and of course 2 minus 1 is just 1, and when you have a polynomial to the power of 1, you normally don't bother writing the 1, so it's just 8t. And for the first part, remember that the derivative was a 1, so you have 5 times 1 plus 8t, which if you write in the order of highest power first, it just becomes 8t plus 5. And that's it. That's how you solve this question. If you found this video useful, feel free to like it and subscribe it, as I'll be solving more problems from this chapter in the near future. And yeah, thanks for watching.